At the restaurant. Today is Friday evening, and I go to a restaurant with my friend. We want to eat dinner together. It is a nice restaurant in the city center. We arrive at the restaurant at 7 p.m. There are many people inside. The restaurant is busy on Friday nights. A waiter greets us at the door. "Good evening," he says. "Do you have a reservation?" My friend answers, "Yes, a table for 2 people at 7 p.m. The waiter checks his list and finds our names. "Please follow me," he says. He takes us to our table. It is a small table near the window. We sit down, and the waiter gives us menus. "I will be back in a few minutes to take your order," he says. We look at the menus. There are many different dishes to choose from. I read the menu carefully. I want to try something new today. After a few minutes, the waiter comes back. "Are you ready to order?" he asks. My friend says, "Yes, I would like the chicken salad, please." I say, "I would like the pasta with tomato sauce, please." The waiter writes down our orders. Then he asks, "What would you like to drink?" I order a glass of orange juice, and my friend orders water. The waiter nods and goes to the kitchen. While we wait for our food, we talk about our week. We tell each other about work and our families. It is nice to catch up with my friend. After 15 minutes, the waiter brings our drinks. "Your food will be ready soon," he tells us. 10 minutes later, he brings our food. The plates look delicious. My pasta has red sauce and cheese on top. My friend's salad has colorful vegetables and pieces of chicken. The waiter says, "Enjoy your meal." We thank him and start to eat. The food is very good. I enjoy my pasta very much. My friend likes her salad too. When we finish eating, the waiter comes back. "Would you like any dessert?" he asks. We look at the dessert menu. I choose ice cream, and my friend wants the chocolate cake. After dessert, we ask for the bill. The waiter brings it on a small tray. We check the bill and pay. My friend pays with her credit card, and I pay with cash. We leave a tip for the waiter because the service was good. Then we put on our coats and leave the restaurant. It was a nice evening at the restaurant. The food was delicious, and I enjoyed spending time with my friend. I want to go back to this restaurant again soon.